Kia ora e te whānau, ko Lindsay Snowden taku ingoa, no ngā iwi o te tai tokerau. I'm also a kaumahi here at Te Wānanga o Aotearoa. You know, there's a lot of talk going on about Te Tiriti o Waitangi. And we're not here to talk about that part. We are here to visit the various sites in which the treaty was signed. It wasn't just signed here up in Waitangi. I'm on the road visiting some of those locations and finding out some facts that you and I may not have known.
I'm all right.
I've also got a few friends along the way that can give us a hand.
No mai. Thought we'd start here at Te Pito Whenua, the treaty grounds. But there's a little lesser known story in regards to the sheets and the different areas that the sheets travelled to.
So you mean to say, in 1840, February the 6th, not every rangatira that signed Te Tiriti came to Waitangi. There were actually sheets that went around to different sites where other people signed. Is that right?
Yep. Oh, should we go and check out some of these places that these sheets went to and talk to some of the locals?
Yeah, talk some sheets.
Want a coffee?
No, I'm all right.